Hello guys, welcome back to Becontree Legend. Today we are back with another brand new drone flight. So yeah, I have not done a drone flight in a long time. Well, the reason why is because the weather's just changed suddenly. We're only getting single digits in weather, so we're only getting, right now it's 26 degrees. It was actually below freezing last night, so on top of that the weather's been really bad and windy, but today we finally get a nice day. So without further ado, let's take off. So yeah, drone's now in the sky, as you can see. We're now just gonna go up to the max height. So yeah, it's a really nice day. Like, we haven't had a day like this for weeks, where it's all been clear. Last drone flight I did was in Harrow, recording the Guy Fawkes Night fireworks. And yeah, it was amazing. Even though it's cold right now, because I'm wearing my thermals, and I've also done a little bit of cycling to get here as well, I actually feel warm with the combination of the sun. I felt cold before, but so yeah, it feels nice and warm now. So the reason why I come out is because we're not going to get a day like this. This is literally one of the rare days. We're not going to get a day like this for a long time. And there's absolutely no wind as well, because there's always wind in this time of the year. Today's perfect, pretty much no wind. I don't know when I'm going to do the next drone flight when there's a nice day like this. The days are short, I don't really have time. By the time I plan to go out, it gets dark, it's quick. So that's why I came out quickly today, because it's going to get dark soon. In the summer, I can just go out late, do a drone flight at 6, 7 p.m, which I usually did. The sun's already about to set right now. So yeah, we're in a place called Becontree in East London. So yeah, what we're going to do, we're just going to zip around now. Let's see where to go first. Let's go this way. So there's a big building down here. I've actually flown near here about a year or two ago. Yeah, I flew here about a year ago, near this area. So yeah, that's in Maysbrook Park, which I actually flew. I flew there quite some time ago as well. I was thinking of going down there, but then I haven't been in this part of Becontree before, so that's why I'm flying in this location. Just to see what's down here. So let's just go straight down and see how far we can go down. There's a little pond right there as well. And over down there you can see that's the River Thames. And I've flown down there as well in my previous flights. So that's Barking Riverside. So I was also planning to go there, but I wanted to go to an area. I wanted to fly in an area where I haven't flown from before. So this is where I am. I usually fly in places where I haven't flown from anyway. So yeah, that's a nice shot. Look at that, nice shot. It's better to get a shot where the sun is shining. So over here you can see a clock tower. Let's get a shot of that as well. There's a lot of buildings down here as well. I don't know why the drone's moving like that, but it's stable. Have I got FPV mode or no? Or not? I actually don't understand why the drone's moving like that. It's the gimbal that's moving like that, not the drone. But it's like moving on auto mode, which is weird. Really bizarre. So over here we've got a Lidl. What's going on with the gimbal? Is it playing up? It's never played up before like this. Maybe I need to recalibrate it. Look at that. Let's get a nice shot of the bus going down there. And there's the pigeons as well. So why is the gimbal moving like that? It's so strange. It's really out of the ordinary. Got another bus going down there. Look at this car going down there. So the sun looks like it's already going down. So I'm glad I got a drone flight in this time. Just standing here makes me cold again. Like, from cycling, I actually warmed up a bit, but now I'm just standing here, not really moving. Look how fast that's going. Let's get a chase. Let's get a nice shot of it going fast. Crazy. Let's go in sports mode. Look at that, that's sick. That is insane. Let's go sideways now. Let's go sideways of the bus. Look at that, that's a sick shot. I'm still following it. Look at that shot. It's really nice. What else can we get shot of? We'll go down here. We'll go down this road. Get a nice shot. Then what we do, we just turn around, we'll come back. And we'll record something as we come back. Try and get a shot of a car or a bus that goes past. There's a little bike over there. Let's try and get that. Only problem is it's not really that sunny here. And the only thing is during winter the shadows are quite harsh. So like midday we usually get sun coming from the top, and yeah, you get the sun pretty much everywhere. But in the winter, I mean in the winter, even at noon we still get good sunlight, but because we're flying late during the day we're not getting that much of a good shot. So yeah, get a nice shot. So yeah, as you can see there's a Lidl down there as well. What we're going to do, we're going to go down to this area. I haven't flown down this area. Look at this. There's a different kind of neighbourhood there. Let's get a shot of this neighbourhood. Yep. Then what we'll do, we'll go down here. There's another park down here, on this side. See, there's buildings down here, but I think we're too far for it. It's a bit far. We can try and go there. I think we can reach it. Let's see how far we can go towards it, then we'll come back. Look at that, we've got a shot of the Elizabeth line train as well. Look at that, it's an amazing shot. Look how close we're getting towards it, it's amazing. Getting a clear shot of it as well. Look at that, we actually made it towards this building. And you've got a nice shot of the Elizabeth line. Look at that. One amazing shot. Let's go a little bit towards it. We're actually so close to it. Now look at that. Amazing shot. Alright, what we'll do, just start heading back now. Yeah, that was an amazing shot. Now we'll do is get a shot of the neighbourhood around us. Get a shot of these cars down here. Let's get a shot of thing is, we do find big open areas, but in these open areas sometimes we don't get like interesting places. I do get a few interesting places. Then once I've done that, I've run out of places of interest in this area. So I've actually flown to all of the places of interest in this area. Now I'm literally just flying around. So I should find more places where it's like a lot of places of interest, so like we can get a lot of shots. So there's a little tennis court over here. Let's get a shot of that. That looks like a nice shot. Get a nice orbit shot of that. Right, what we'll do, we'll start heading back now. You know what? Let's do like a local drone flight. Yeah, we're gonna do low down shots. I haven't done that in a long time. Like low down shots. So I can do. You can actually see my shadow. Look, that's how tall my shadows are. Wait, yeah, my shadow's right there. So I'm walking right now. You can actually see my shadow, which is actually mental. What we can do, we can get nice low down shots in this area. So look at this, yeah. Get nice low down shots, yeah. I haven't done that in a long time. Yeah, so we're right here, yeah. 3. We don't want to land, we just want to go fast. Look at that. That is insane, look at that. I want to go to FPV mode. Wait, yeah, look at that. Oh my god, I haven't done this in a long time, look at that. That's amazing. Oh, look at that, that's insane. I mean, there's no one here, so. Let's go near this bench. Look at that, is an amazing shot. Flying in FPV mode. So we're just doing normal drone flight. Look at that. That is an amazing shot. I don't really do stuff like this, literally. I've just been focusing on, because there's nothing to film here. That's why I'm just doing these FPV shots. Let's go to gimbal mode now. Look at that. Let's go near me. Look at that. That is amazing. I'm going to go through me now. Let's come back. We're going to come back and get a nice shot low down. That noise kind of disturbs the video a little bit. We're going to go near my bike. Check this out. Alright, let's just land it now. This noise is getting kind of annoying now. Alright, so that was my drone flight in this nice little area that I found, nice little recreation ground. I hope you found this video interesting, and I'll speak to you in the next one. Thank you for watching.